Wind Up Your Wife Wednesday.
Here we go.
Putting your mate through hell. Cheers to Hell Pizza.
James,
How are you?
this mate of yours, Simon Loveridge, he's a character. He's a fence builder.
Yeah, he is. Fences and decks.
He's married, father of one. What else can you tell us about him, and how do you reckon we should get him for Wind Up Your Wife Wednesday?
He's probably got the shortest fuse out of anyone I know. Really hates the authorities and loves to play pranks and jokes on anyone he can whenever he can. He's got red hair. That always helps. Well known for trying to cheat the system whenever he can. He had a Hilux surf that he's owned for a couple of months now, and he didn't want to pay the $500 rego, so he went to another texting station and registered it as a farm vehicle.
What is that?
Loophole.
What does that mean? Obviously, Rego's cheaper, is it, for a farm vehicle?
Yeah, it's cheaper. It's only about $65 a year, but you can only drive it 30 k's away from your farm. He doesn't live on a farm, so...
Gotcha. So you've painted a good picture of your deviant mate here, Simon. So, for Wind Up Your Wife Wednesday this week, Jonathan Richard Pryor will pretend to be...
Jonathan Coleman, concerned member of the public.
Hello?
Yes, good afternoon. I was after, is it Simon Loveridge?
Yeah.
Fantastic. You're at 19A Avenue.
Not sure. Who's this?
Do you live there or not?
Well, who's this?
Jonathan Coleman, head of the Residents for Careful Registration of Vehicles, speaking. How are you?
You're who, sorry?
I'm from a community group in relation to safer vehicles on our road.
In relation to safer vehicles on the road.
Correct. Do you have a car registered B1?
No.
You don't?
No.
You did?
Why is this? What's it about?
My wife and myself were in Rotorua for the weekend 2 weeks ago and noticed your vehicle driving around in the town. Now, on further inspection on Car Jam, I've discovered that it is registered as a farm vehicle. So
Well,
I don't know why. I don't know why.
Maybe,
I don't.
maybe, mate. Just listen
Maybe
to
you
me.
could. Maybe you should.
You need to get an update on the new owner. And if he hasn't done that, then that's not up to me. The new owner's meant to change it into their name.
Regardless, you had this thing registered as a farm vehicle for the time that you owned it.
And so what are you ringing me about? What's your deal?
I'm going to report you to the authorities.
Jonathan Coleman.
I'm a concerned citizen, and if
You're a knob by the sounds of it, mate. You're a f***ing knob.
don't start swearing at me. Thank you very much.
Well, how do you know my vehicle's unsafe? It was perfectly warranted, and I don't own it anymore. What are you doing ringing me up, pissing me off? Haven't you got a job to do?
Simon, why don't you just relax?
Because you're pissing me off going, you don't even explain who you are. You're going,
Don't get all aggressive. No need to get aggressive.
well, you're going to report me and be a knob.
I'm going to report you because you're cheating the system.
Get a life, mate. They had a warrant, knob cheese. It had a warrant of fitness, mate. A VTNZ warrant of fitness.
Don't call me knob cheese when you're clearly being a knob
you are,
cheese.
mate.
You're a knob cheese.
You're a f***ing knob cheese.
No, you're a knob cheese.
You're a f***ing knob cheese, mate.
Mate,
You're the f***ing one ringing me up,
I'm not.
telling me all about my vehicle, pissing me off.
I'm just trying to do a duty for the public of New Zealand.
Mate, you're a knobbing, mate. You're a f***ing knobbing.
You're a knob-end.
You're a knobbing, mate.
Why won't you abide by the rules? Why won't you play by the rules?
I do play by the rules, mate.
You
I
clearly
make sure
don't.
my f***ing...
You don't play by the rules because the registration is registered as a farm vehicle and you live in suburbia.
What, like I asked you before, mate, whereabouts do you work? Why don't you wait till I get back?
Hey, Simon.
Yeah.
Can you just shh?
Why?
Shh.
Why are you asking me to calm down? You calm down. You're the one that rung me, you f***ing knobbing.
Hey, Simon, shh. Don't get all riled up.
Well, you start back answering me, mate, calling me names.
Oh, hold on. I just got another call on the line. Hold on.
What do you mean, hold on?
Just hold on a sec. Yeah, no. I'll tell them to... They're just telling you to shut up, mate.
What caller on the other line telling me to shut up? Well, who's on the other line?
Have you got a wife?
Yeah, I've got a wife. What the that got to do with anything?
No, it's just how does a man like you end up with a lovely lady?
What the What are you to ask me that sort of shit?
Hold on. Just got another call again. Hold on.
Oh, what the are you doing? What do you mean other calls, mate?
Shush,
you
shush,
ring me up.
Shush, I've got a call. Hold on. Oh, yeah. No,
Can't believe this, hey?
I'll pass it on. Hey, Simon, hey, it was just the other caller again.
Yeah?
Just telling you to relax, mate.
Just tell me what the you're on about, because I'm on my way to Whanganui. I'm parked on the side of the road. You're telling me to shush and wait for other phone calls.
Hold it.
Why?
Shh. Simon, it's Robert and Jono from the Rock radio station.
You're taking the piss out of me.
That's exactly what we're doing, mate.
Hi, Simon.
Glassy. You.
We got you.
Mate, I am so off at you.
We hear you're a man with a sharp tongue.
Mate, I'm so angry, you bastard.
He's lost for words. The man with the sharp tongue's lost for words.
It doesn't take much to get him going.
Hell no.
I'm gobsmacked, you bastard.
It sounds like we've got a very deserving Wind Up Your Wife Wednesday this week, my friend.
Oh, mate, I can't believe you got me on that.
You know,
I cannot believe it. I listen to that all the time and I never thought I'd get that.
you see, you took it hook, line and sinker.
Good on
It's
you,
just
The
a
Rock.
bastard he's staying at my place this weekend, isn't it?
I'm booking a motel. I'm not staying with you.